friends! Welcome to ABCGrok. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome to ABC Cities Adventure Hour. Let's move to letter A.
A is for Athens. B is for Barcelona. C is for Cairo.
D is for Dubai. E is for Edinburgh.
F is for Florence.
G is for Geneva.
H is for Hong Kong.
I is for Istanbul. J is for Jakarta. K is for Karachi.
L is for London.
M is for Mumbai.
P is for Paris.
Q is for Quito.
R is for Rome.
S is for Sydney.
T is for Tokyo.
U is voor Utrecht.
V is for Venice.
W is for Warsaw.
X is for Xi'an.
Y is for Yokohama.
Z is for Zurich.
You are completed AB Cities Adventure! It's time for ABCGrok. Learning letters, having fun. ABCGrok.